What mom should I go for? Good? Or bad? Good it is! Whoops! The marker bled through to the other document. Well, now I have two moms. A burger! Lucky me! That's my burger! I made some vegetables for you. Very healthy. That's unfair. I know. Mom, let's play a game. Food wheel. Sure. And I get a burger! Oh yeah! Don't get so excited. It didn't stop yet. What? But why? You eat vegetables. Now it's fair. Almost. Bon appetit. No, I'm not eating that. How come? I know. How about this? Put cherry tomatoes, carrots, corn, and peas in a rainbow shape, and red cabbage. Make clouds from rice and place them at the base of the rainbow. A real rainbow! Wow. I smell a rainbow.
Wow.
Here it is! A unicorn! I'll trade you your rainbow for some candy. Wow! Is that okay? Thanks! It's not okay. She needs more vegetables. Here's our shopping list. Bread, juice. Move it! The store will close soon. I'm coming. What else was on the list? I need to check it. Unbelievable! What happened? I lost the list. Don't worry. This list definitely won't get lost. Milk. Let's go there. We got milk. Great. Let's cross it out. And ham. I need to finish the portrait before lunch. Add some hair, a dress, and earrings.
What?
Josie, what are you doing? The marker won't come off. But I have an idea. Let's add a few lines here and here. And now there are bright flowers blooming on the t-shirt. Sprinkle it with alcohol to create a smudged effect. Wow, thanks! Check out my t-shirt. Do you like it?
Wow.
I have an idea. Can I have it? Done! You have a unique opportunity to buy this masterpiece before it's put up for auction. This is a real work of art. I'll get it. I knew you would appreciate it. And then something crazy happened. Oh, the glass broke.
Oops.
You have to pay for the glass. Whoever broke it has to pay. You did the right thing. Why are you so sad? I lost my allowance. What would you do without me? Never leave the house without it. Waiter! There's a cockroach in the salad.
Oh.
Whoops! So awkward. Aren't you going to compensate us? I hope this is enough. I don't think so. You want me to make a scene? Don't be greedy. And take this salad away. Josie, here's your money. Josie, I have a surprise for you. Ta-da! Headphones.
Wow.
Thank you, Mom. Do you think my owl can be fixed? I have a great idea. Here's a new AirPods case. Take some filling out of an old stuffed toy. Glue in an AirPods case. a chain. So nice! I think it looks good on me. Definitely. Headphones! Are these for me? No, they're for me. All right, I have headphones for you too. But they have wires. Not anymore. Thanks a lot. She's getting the ball out. The next number is 4. 4. Got it. And 8. Congratulations to the winner. I won. So did I. This money is mine. No, it's mine. Mine. Give it back. Stop fighting. Just share the prize. Like that. What have you done? Oh, what do we do with it now? Josie is sleeping tight and dreaming about... Mom, there's a monster under my bed. Don't worry, it's just a bad dream. We can chase it away. And a dream catcher will help us. Paint a wooden ring. Weave a dream catcher with soft yarn. Make knots starting from the edges towards the center. Thread on beads closer to the middle. Shape a loop. Attach a finding to a feather. Fasten it to the yarn and hang it on the dream catcher. Repeat with different colors of feathers. No more nightmares! Sleep tight! I'm back! A dream catcher! Save me! And they lived happily ever after. Don't leave! There's a monster hiding under the bed. Monsters don't exist. Okay, I'll check. What? Where's my bat? Monster, I'm coming for you! Help! It's not coming back. I promise. I got cookies. What's next? Oops. What have I done? You're in trouble. Who did this? It was her. Is it true? She's an angel. She couldn't do that. But it's her. You're lying to me. I'm gonna cry. No, I know you did it. Pay up. What a meanie. Let's play. Josie, your dolls are all over the place. Please pick them up. I don't want to. Fine. Look what I have. I know how much you like Squid Game. Cut a doll silhouette out of fabric. Sew 2 pieces, leaving a wide hole near the head. Turn it right side out. Sew the top and put in a cord. Cut out a felt mask and costume pieces. Glue them on. Wow, thanks! And now put all your toys in this bag. Okay, I will. Done! Stay here for now. Wow, cute toy. So adorable. Boo! That was fun! Oh! Whoops! This doll is under arrest for breaking the law. We just have to make a doll prison. Let's add a chair and a bed. And the criminal gets locked up. Jen, do you have any cash? No, I don't have any either. Win money for an invention. It's our chance. Josie, I invented new toilet paper. What do you think? What? My toilet paper is 100 times cooler. That's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. What do you think now? Fur shoes and studs. That's interesting, but not unique. Bummer. I have an idea. I'm a plus mom, and I'm a minus mom. I'm the best, and I'm the worst. You're doing great, and we made money. A tooth for me, a coin for you. Not so fast. Your mom convinced me. That's all I have. Can I go? Yes, thank you. Bye, Fairy. Why are you so sad? This is all the Tooth Fairy brought me. I have an idea. Fairy, hang on. I have a business offer for you. The fairy's back. She brought money. Wow, thanks. Bye, Fairy. Your tooth? Don't worry about it. What should I pick? Maybe this dress? Changing room. What do you think?
Taste. Ooh. Wow.
What are you staring at?
Wow.
No! Okay. How about this? Oh no! Do you like this? Absolutely not! Is it really that bad? What? I guess I'll get it all. And the glasses. I chose these dresses. They don't fit you at all. You'll thank me.
Oh.
But... Hi, bestie. How was it? Here's your share. This will make a nice wallet. Done! Sew pieces of burlap to a zipper. Sew it along the edge and turn it right side out. Draw a $sign with a marker. Wrap a cord around the bag. Keep it! I'm fine with what's in this bag. Bye! Oh! Mom, this is for you. A wallet for your cash. Thanks. It will come in handy. What? Where's the money? Why is there a hole? Hey, open up. The chicken is cooked. I just have to make a salad. Is lunch ready? I'm starving.
Oh.
Hang on a second. Almost done. Okay, I'll get delivery. Smells nice. I'll call the girls. What? Is that junk food? We were too hungry and couldn't wait. So why did I make lunch for you? Come on. Here, have some. Mom, my skin is dry. Oh, sweetie. Here's some moisturizer. It will protect you from the cold. I'll add some more. Hi, I'm getting this. Hi. Save yourselves! What's wrong with her? Where are you going? You are so jumpy. Mom, my cheeks are cold. Poor thing. I know what to do. Wait a minute. Well, done. A warm ski mask. Try it on. Thank you!
Sketch out holes for eyes and a mouth on a child's hat. Trace the outlines using a template. Cut out holes. Decorate the edges with yarn. Attach cute decorations.
Hi, Mom! Robbers! I just got an apple! Good or bad, Mom? Who do you think I should pick? Comment below!